How you doing, guys? This is Joe with LVV HVAC. So we have a rooftop unit here, which is actually placed on the side of a building, okay? And they say that the heat works for like a half hour and then it gets cold again. So let me show you. Right when we open up this side panel, here's the heating area. Right above is the blower assembly, okay? That's the door for it. So right away when I come here, look at this, okay? This can come off just with your hands. You know, you can go here and just spin it right off. Okay. And looky. Of course, disgusting. Look at all the cracks. You see this? Cracks across the whole thing. So, this belt is fried. Okay, it's shot. And because it wasn't really doing anything, it wasn't spinning the blower motor inside there, okay? It really wasn't spinning it with any type of velocity. And because of that, it gets too hot in the chamber. The air gets too hot because no cool air is going over the heat exchanger, and then it pops off on high limit for safety. Okay, so we're gonna change this belt out, and then we'll crank this up. We'll pull this back a bit, get it nice and tight, and then go on to our next call. All right, so we're gonna go off, get another belt, and we'll get you back we'll get you some more pictures. All right, guys, so let's see here. My flashlight's kind of trying to crap out on me, but it's okay. So you see this here? You have to loosen up this bolt here, loosen up this bottom bolt right here, and then drive this in a bit. And what that does, okay, you see this now? Now it's got tension on it. It's a bad belt. We'll let it run so they get some heat, but then we'll take it back off and then we'll put on the new belt. All right, but you want to have like an inch worth of, slack right there so it's not too tight. But we'll get this up and running for now, then we'll go get a new belt, slap it on so it doesn't break in the worst time of the season, which is more or less right now because it's 30 degrees out. And that's the one we want. Right there. The A46. All right, we'll actually stock a couple of these. I'm surprised I don't have them in the van, but whatever. That's my good luck. All right, so we'll get it, we'll swap it out, and we'll get you some more video. All right, guys, so we have the new belt on. It's nice and tight. Just remember, those bolts there and there, you have to loosen up, okay? Because it slides on this slider right up here. And what you do is you undo this bolt here, and then you're gonna thread this out and back, okay? Whichever direction to get this tight, all right? I normally like to let it have a play of about an inch up and down. But besides that, new belt, A46. It's all said and done. All right, that's what was popping off the high limit because it wasn't gripping enough, not spinning the fan enough, and not allowing enough air to go over the heat exchanger, which it would pop off on high limit. After 3 times within, I think it's within an hour, it shuts off on a soft reset or a hard lockout maybe also. All right, guys, see you guys next time. So this is a belt replacement, which was making the high limit pop off, okay? See you guys next time.